Winter Storm Watch. Issued at Sunday 4:42 p.m. February 16, 2025. Issued by National Weather Service. Description. What? Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations between 5 and 10 inches possible. Where portions of south central and southwest Illinois and central, east central, and southeast Missouri. Wind from late Monday night through late Tuesday night. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the Tuesday morning and evening commutes. Recommended action. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation.